Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this video, let us solve the remaining problems in exercise 20A. First, 25th one. The total surface area of a hollow cylinder which is open from the both sides is 3575 centimeter square. Area of its base ring is 357.5 centimeter square and its height is 14 centimeters. Find thickness of the cylinder. See what they give? Total surface area of hollow cylinder, right? They are talking about hollow cylinder and they gave total surface area is 3575 centimeters square. Next, area of its base ring. So, area of base ring is how much? 357.5 centimeters. And one more thing, they give height h is equal to 14 centimeters. See, first what we have to find? We have to find the thickness of the hollow cylinder. What is the thickness? Thickness of hollow cylinder. If you take a hollow cylinder, thickness is nothing but the outer radius minus inner radius. This entire part, how much width is the ring, is called as thickness, right? So we have to find r minus r. That means outer radius, if you take external radius as capital R and internal radius as small r, thickness means we have to find r minus r. Let us see what we know. TSA of a hollow cylinder, we know the formula, right? And next, area of the base ring. First, I am taking the area of the base ring. So, from the problem, area of the base equal to 3575. That is, what is the area of base? Area of the base ring, it is a ring, right? It will be in the shape of a ring. So, area of the ring is nothing but pi into r square minus r square, right? So, that is equal to how much it is? 357.5. And from this, we can find r square minus r square, right? So, capital R square minus small r square is equal to 357.5 into pi. If it comes that side, it will become 1 by pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. 1 by pi means 7 by 22. So, we can cancel it. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s 33. 27. 11 2s 22. Point. 11 5s 55. So, next. 2. 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 16.25. Right? So 16.25 into 7. So how much you will get? 7 5s 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. 7 6 42. 7 1 7 plus 4 11. 113.75. That is r square minus small r square. Next, total surface area. If we consider total surface area, how much they give? Total surface area is, we know the formula for total surface area. What it is? Outer surface curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus 2 times the area of base. That means area of top plus base, right? Pi into r square minus r square. That is equal to how much they give? 3575. Right? So you know this. And from this, from 1, we can substitute pi into r square minus r square value here. Right? So how much you will get? 2 pi is common, 2 pi h is common. So r plus r plus 2 into, what is the pi into r square minus r square? Nothing but the area of the base ring, right? 357.75. So 357.5 is equal to 3575 75, right? Next, so 2 pi h into r plus r equal to 3575 minus 357.5 into 2. So 0 to 7 is 14 plus 1 15 7. So it is 715. So 2 pi is nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into height. How much it is? 14 into r plus r equal to 357.5 minus 715. Right? 0, 6 and 28. 2860. So 7 1s are 7 2s are. So r plus r equal to 2860 divided by 2 into 22 into 2, right? So 11 twos are 22. 11 2 is 22, 60 to 130 to how much it is? To 65 and it is to 32.5, right? So it is 32.5. Therefore, r plus r equal to 32.5 centimeters. But what we have to find? We have to find the value of r minus r. Nothing but we have to find the thickness. So from this we can tell r plus r into r minus r, right? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, right? So after this, if I substitute r plus r value here, r minus r will get 113.75 by 32.5. So if we cancel it, you will get 3.4 centimeters. So no need to find the external and internal radius here. They asked us to find only thickness. So the thickness is 3.4 centimeters. Let's see 26 one. They gave a diagram. See what it is. On the cuboid, there is a cylinder, right? So, what they are asking, find the given figure shows a solid formed from a solid cube of side 40 centimeters and solid cylinder of radius 20 centimeters and height 50 centimeters. Find the volume and total surface area. See here, this total is a solid figure. Okay, it is formed from a cube of side 40 centimeters and cylinder of radius 20, r is 20 and height. The height of this cylinder is 50 centimeters. So here what they are asking, find the volume and total surface area of the whole solid. See, first one, we have to find the volume of whole solid, right? So in order to find the volume of whole solid, how can you find volume? If we attach two solids, the total volume of the resultant solid will be equal to the sum of the volumes of two solids, right? Nothing change in their volume. So volume is equal to volume of cube plus volume of cylinder, right? So what is the volume of cube formula? A cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h, right? So A is how much? It is 40. So 40 cube plus pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r is how much? 20 into 20 into h. It is 50, right? So let us see 40 cube, 4 4 is 64 cube, it is 64. 30 64,000 plus 22 by 7, it is 3.14. So 50 into 20, how much it is? 1000. So 1000 into 3.14, it is 3140 into 20. So how much will you get? 62800, right? So 628, 314 into 2 is 62820. So 62,800 plus 64,000. How much it is? 1,200 and sorry, 1,26,800, right? 2 zeros, 8, 6, 12. Okay, so centimeter cube. Why? It is volume. Therefore, total volume of the solid is this one. And next, what they are asking us to find? Find the total surface area. See here. Here we will get somewhat different. Why? Because in order to find the total surface area, normally total surface area of a solid is nothing but the surface which can be visible to me or visible to us, right? So when we place a solid cylinder on a cube, here if we add both the total surface areas, it won't be correct. Why? Because this part won't be visible to us, right? When both two are merged, this part will not be the surface of the resultant solid. So what we have to do, after finding the total surface area of cube as well as cylinder, we have to subtract this two times. Why? Why? Because we added this surface in cylinder as well as in cube. So we have to subtract the area of this part two times, right? So total surface area is equal to TSA of cube plus TSA of cylinder minus 2 pi r square. Why? Area of this part we have to subtract two times, right? So TSA of cube 6a square plus TSA of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h plus minus 2 pi r square, right? So what is 6a square? 6 into 40 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 20 into r plus h, it is 70 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, 20 square, right? Next 40 square, it is 1600, right? So 6 into 1600 plus 3.14, right? So 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 70 minus 2 into 3.14 into 20 square, it is 400, right? So next, see here 3200, 3016, 9600 plus 3.14 into 20 into 70. What will get? 2 zeros. So 2 into 314 into 14 minus 2 into 314 into 4. Why? Because instead of finding the value 314 into 400, what I did? I can write 400 as 4 into 100, right? 4 2s are 8. So 9600 plus, if I take 2 times 314, how much it is? 628 common. How much will get? 14 minus 4, it is 10, right? So 9600 plus 6820. So how much you will get? It is nearly 15880 centimeters square. This is the resultant answer. Clear? Next, 27th one. See what they give. Two right circular solid cylinders have radii in the ratio 3:5 and heights in the ratio 2:3. So what they give? Ratio of radii is 3:5. So we can take the radius of first one is 3x and radius of second one will be 5x. And in the same way, ratio of height they give, right? So ratio of height is how much? 2:3. So you can take height of first one be 2y and height of second one is equal to 3y. Why? Because why I am taking the different variable here? This is a separate ratio and this is a separate ratio. So whenever you are dealing with two different ratios, you have to take two different variables. Okay. So next, first one, what you have to find? Ratio of curved surface areas. So CSA 1 by CSA 2. Curved surface area first one by curved surface area of second one. So 2 pi R1 H1 by 2 pi R2 H2. So 2 pi is constant, so you can cancel it. So 3x into height of first one is 2y by 5x into 3y. So 3 y y, it is equal to 2 is to 5. In the same way, ratio of the volumes we have to find. So pi R1 square H1 by pi R2 square H2 is equal to pi will get cancelled. R1 square 9x square into 2y by R2 square 25x square into 3y, right? So y x square 3 1 is 3 3. So 3 2 is 6 by 25. So 6 is to 25 is the ratio of the volume. So next, final question, 28th one in this exercise. A closed cylindrical tank made of thin iron sheet has diameter 8.4 meters and height 5.4 meters. How much metal sheet to the nearest meter square is used in making the tank if 1 by 15th of the sheet is wasted? See here what they give. They give the dimensions of the tank. How much it is? Diameter is 8.4 meters. So we can tell radius is equal to 4.2 meters, and one more thing, height equal to 5.4 meters. Now see here, we can do one thing. They gave that in order to make this cylinder 1 by 15th of a metal sheet is wasted, right? So how much is used in making this cylinder? 1 by 15th is wasted. So remaining from 1, if you find the remaining part, so 14 by 15th is used in making the cylindrical tank. So where we will use to make the cylinder? That area is used, area of this metal sheet is used in making the area of total surface area of cylinder, right? So we will use the sheet to the entire cylinder, nothing but the area of the metal sheet is equal to the area of the cylinder, total surface area. So given 1 by 15th is wasted, so what it will become? 14 by 15th part of area is equal to the total surface area of cylinder, right? So 14 by 15 into area of the cylinder is equal to total surface area is what? 2 pi r into r plus h, right? So if you find A is equal to 15 by 14 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 4.4, 4.2 into 5.4 plus 9, 4.2, it is 9.6. If you find this, you will get the area of the metal sheet. Clear? Thank you everyone.